schoolyard fight, shooting tombstone bullets, wearing ball and chain, drinking TNT, smoking dynamite. Hope some screwball gonna start a fight. Yeah, I'm ready, ready as anybody gonna be. Yes, I'm ready for you. I hope you're ready for me. With all your pretty little chicks with your curly hair, I know you feel like I ain't nowhere. Stop what you're doing, baby, come over here. I'll prove to you, baby, that I ain't no square. Yeah, ready, ready as anybody gonna be. Yes, I'm ready for you. Hope you're ready for me. Before. I'm feeling so good, yeah, I want you to know. One more drink, yeah, I wish you would. It take a whole lot of love to make a man feel good. Ready, ready as anybody gonna be. Yes, I'm ready for you. I hope you're ready for me. Yes, I'm ready. I hope you're ready
Thank you. Yeah. Appreciate that.
You got me running, you got me hiding, you got me run, hide, run anywhere you want to let it roll. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You got me doing what you want me, so baby, why you want to let go? You got me up, you got me down, you got me up, down, down, up, anywhere you want to let it roll. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You got me doing what you want, so baby, why you want to let go? You got me peeping, you got me hiding, you got me peep, hide, peep anywhere you want to let it roll. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You got me doing what you want me, so baby, why you want to let go? All right. Some more Jimmy Reed.
Sweet.
All right, you guys ready for the champagne reefer?
Yes.
Champagne and reefer coming right up.
Give me reefer when I wanna get high. Yeah, give me champagne when I'm thirsty. Give me reefer when I wanna get high. Yeah, when I'm cold, sad, and lonely, bring my big-legged woman right here by my side. Well, there ought to be no law if people want to smoke a little dope. Yeah, there ought to be no law if people want to smoke a little dope. Yeah, it's good for your head, child. Relax your body, don't you know? Well, every time I get high, I lay down, take a little rest. Every time I get high, I lay down, take a little rest. Well, she loved open squeezing. She said, hey man, you're the best. Well, I'm gonna get high this morning. You know it's gonna be a crying shame. Yeah, I'm gonna get high this morning, just as sure as you know my name. Well, I'm gonna stick to my reefer. Ain't gonna mess around with that cocaine. Muddy Waters. Well, all right. How about Mr. Tim over there on the artificial piano?
That's right. That's what it's called. We're figuring out how to best highlight the artificialness of my piano. Gentlemen?
better put that thing down, child, there ain't nobody home. You've been treating me so bad, baby, so badly for so long. Well, I'm opening my eyes and I'm trying to move on, yeah. But I'll come back to you. I'm such a fool, I can't get away from the blues. I try to change you, baby, change your evil way, but the devil lives inside you and that ain't ever gonna change. You've been treating me so badly, baby, giving me the blues. I can't get over your love and I can't get over you, yeah. But I'll come back to you. I'm such a fool, I can't get away from the blues. But I'll come back to you. I'm such a fool, I can't get away from the blues. All right, a Barn Owls original, hot off the press. It's already huge in Japan.
What about?
Well, you're huge in Japan, right?
It's huge in Tasmania too. by the way.
Sounds great, sir.
Oh, so baby, don't you want to go? I'm crying, hey. So baby, don't you want to go back to land, California, sweet home Chicago? I'm crying, hey. So baby, don't you want to go baby, yeah, I'm booked, I got to go, come on. So baby, don't you want to go back to land, California, sweet home, Chicago. Well, I said 2 is 4, 4 2 is 6. You mess with her one time, yeah, you're bound to get your fix. Come on. So baby, don't you want to go back to land, California, sweet home, Chicago.
I said 2 and 2 is 4, 4 and 4 is 8. I'm calling you, baby, I'll be home late. I said, hey, so baby, don't you wanna go
Back to land, California, sweet home, Chicago. Hey, so baby, don't you want to go? I'm crying, hey.
I said, hey,
So baby, don't you want to go back to land, California, sweet home, Chicago. Minutes seem like hours now, hours seem like days. Ever since my baby started to low down ways, yeah. Minutes seem like hours, yeah, and hours seem like days. Ever since my baby started to low down ways. Woke up this morning, yeah, look around for my shoes. You know by that I have it on walking blues, yeah. Woke up this morning, went looking around for my shoes. Know by that I have it on walking blues. On Walking Blues. All right. I think we're going to have Tim sing a song here.
Let's do it. This heavily features the artificial piano. So I think you're going to love it. That's right. Let's see. just like that. It's just like that. Featuring the artificial piano. Thank you very much.
All right, I think we got time for one more here. It's been a real pleasure. Thank you so much for having us. We are the Barn Owls.
Appreciate it.
We're gonna play a little Johnny Lee Hooker right here.
Oh.
Boom, 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 boom. Gonna shoot you right down, right over your feet. Take you home with me. I'll put you in my house. Boom, 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 boom. How, how. I like the way you walk up and down my floor when you're talking to me. That baby talk, I like it like that. Whoa, yeah. Talk that talk, baby. Yeah, walk that walk. Yeah, yeah. the way you walk. I like the way you talk. When you whisper in my ear and tell me that you love me, it really knocks me out. when you're talking like that. That baby talk. I like it like that. Whoa, yeah. Walk that walk, baby. Yeah, talk that talk. Yeah, yeah.
Let's give it up for Jeff Steele on guitar tonight, folks. Fantastic. Got Tim on keyboard, Steph on bass, and Mr. Mike back there wrapping it out on the drums. Thank you so much for coming out.
All right, thank you very much. We are the Barn Owls, and we will see you next time.